Hi, my name is Tessa. I did a postgraduate certificate in advertising copywriting at Humber. When I was a kid, my mom had a friend and she worked in advertising and I thought it was super cool. And then as I went on with school, I realized I love English and I love writing, and so copywriter kind of made more sense. One of the most valuable things at Humber was all the alumni that teachers kind of brought in to speak to us. It was like a boot camp in how to do advertising, and also a boot camp on how to network, which was really important too. I got my internship because I attended a open house at Rethink. It was framed as a creative portfolio review. And then 2 months later, I got an email that said they wanted to move forward with my application, and I got the job. When I was in the internship, the main thing I learned was how to work with my art director partner, and also how to work with real world clients. Whenever we got a brief, you'd have to come up with 100 solutions, and then you'd find the one that was the best. A week before my internship was done, I got a full-time offer, and it was very exciting. My advice for current students is talk to people in the industry, reach out to people on LinkedIn, find the agencies you like, find the people you like, and just try and talk to them.